In this YT influencer review, I'm going to be showing you a training from a guy I highly respect who is making well over six figures online from a YouTube channel doing affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to do this as well, stay tuned. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out YT Influencer, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page. I do have a bunch of extra bonuses that you're going to get if you decide to purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says how I turned my YouTube channel into a six-figure income stream with affiliate marketing while scoring thousands of dollars in free products every single month. So this is a full training by Chris Derenberger about how you can actually go and make money by creating a YouTube channel, promoting digital products, promoting physical products, how to do it with faceless AI generated videos, how to do it without having to put your face on camera, how to set up a brand new YouTube channel if you've never done it before, how to get free products, how to rank at the top of YouTube, how to promote products that you don't own, how to create thumbnails, how to find affiliate networks and get approved for affiliate commissions, all these different things included inside. He's made a ton of money doing this. Look, you can see here in one of his accounts, he made $151,000. You can see just the payments coming in here, more money coming in from another account. And we can also see these ones here as well, where he actually was able to get free products. Like, look, this one here is $119, $199, $99, $69, $199, $399. I mean, these are things that people have just given him for free in exchange for a review. Look at this one right here, $569. What the heck is this? All these different products that he's been given for free as well. If you've been wanting to learn how to do this, but you just didn't know where to go, then this is definitely a great course to check out here. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video from Chris explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area.
Do you struggle with earning an income on YouTube as an affiliate marketer? Do you find it difficult to find products to promote or being able to rank your videos on YouTube so viewers can find them? Hi, my name is Chris Derenberger, and I've been affiliate marketing since 2001. In 2013, I left my full-time job to support my family thanks to YouTube and affiliate marketing. Since then, I've been earning six figures every year, and I want to show you step by step how you can do it too. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is an amazing way to generate a reoccurring and sustainable income stream that you can grow from anywhere in the world. You also have the opportunity to receive thousands of dollars worth of free products every month in exchange for reviews. This is exactly what my new course, YT Influencer, is all about. This course will take even a complete beginner from learning about YouTube to creating your own affiliate review videos and outranking your competitors on YouTube. In this course, you will learn about affiliate marketing, affiliate networks, finding products to promote, and the types of videos you need to be creating as an affiliate marketer. Then I show you how to set up your YouTube channel, record physical and digital product reviews that can rank #1 in just minutes on both YouTube and Google. You'll also learn how to create AI-generated videos if you prefer not to use your own voice. I show you how to create free engaging thumbnails for your videos, optimizing your videos, and getting them ranked in YouTube and even Google. All this is shown in multiple case studies as you watch over my shoulder step by step as I set up a brand new YouTube channel, create videos, and rank them above my competition. If you have a phone or a computer, you can build your own YouTube affiliate marketing business if you're willing to put in a little bit of time and effort. So haven't you waited long enough? Scroll below and pick it up now and start the beginning of a new journey with me. Hey, and thanks for checking out my course, YT Influencer. So in this video, I just want to take you inside of it and show you exactly what you get before you purchase so you have a better idea of what to expect. So right after you purchase, you're going to be redirected to where you can log in here to the members area. There's a welcome video and some links, but the main training center you're going to find up here on the top menu. If you click on it, it's going to take you here to the core training for YT Influencer. Now there's three sections here of videos. There's one on preparing to get you ready. There's one on taking action, which is going to walk you through step by step on getting everything set up. And then last is going to be some videos, case studies, and updates that I'm going to continually update throughout here, showing you new case studies that I do, new updates of rankings of videos, and everything else that you need just to keep you motivated and to keep you going. So in the preparing section, I'm going to talk to you about the types of YouTube channels that you need to make. And then I'm going to show you proof that all of this works through some of my own stats, a lot of the emails I get, requests for all different types of free products I'm getting. In fact, I just got an email this morning, the first time I've ever had an offer to review a product that cost $1,000, which is going to be a treadmill with a big TV screen on it that they're going to be sending me, which is really cool. I'm also going to be talking to you about affiliate networks, about affiliate products, and the types of videos to make as an affiliate marketer that's going to get you the best conversions. Now, down here in the taking action section, this is where you're going to learn to set up your YouTube channel. You're going to be able to get it verified so you can add your affiliate links in the description box. I'm going to show you how to record physical product reviews so you can get physical products for free in exchange for reviews. I'm also going to show you how to record digital products such as software and training courses. Many of those you'll be able to get also free in exchange for a review. And for physical products, I'm also going to show you how you can record these videos without even owning them and rank at the top of YouTube and Google. And this is something that I've been doing for several years now, and I have made many sales from it. In fact, I've even won affiliate contests by doing this. I'm also going to show you how I create faceless AI videos for some of my cash cow YouTube channels. And if you're not familiar with that, these are basically just informational type videos that I create using AI tools that are very quick and easy to make. You don't show your face on camera. You don't even use your own voice. And these types of videos can bring in a lot of traffic. I then go on to show you how you can create thumbnails for free for your YouTube channel. We're going to explain the YouTube algorithm and how it ranks videos so you have a better understanding of how all that works. I'm going to give you some examples of that. We're going to talk about YouTube filters, cloaking your affiliate links, or hiding the ugly affiliate links and making them look a lot better, which will increase your click-throughs and your conversions. And then also a tool that I've been using here recently a lot, which is vidIQ, how to get that added to your YouTube channel and the benefits of using it. All of this is included with your purchase of YT Influencer, but remember, there's going to be more videos added over time than what you see here. And then if you have any questions or need to get in touch with me, you can do it directly through the Facebook group or through the support link here where I answer all of the emails myself. So this is YT Influencer. If you want to get into affiliate marketing and YouTube, this is it.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the members area that you'll have access to after you purchase. Now inside the training, if we go in here, you're going to see all the different things like proof it works, affiliate networks, affiliate products, types of videos, buyer intent videos, review videos, solving problem videos, coupons, discounts, informational videos, setting up your channel, all the things that you need to do, and even case studies of real videos that he's made money from. So just full great training in here for you here. Now there are multiple upgrades. First one's a $400,000 case study and how he made $400,000 in just 3 months with just one of his niche YouTube channels. So that's pretty cool. That's an optional upgrade. That's $27. The next one you're going to see is it's going to show you how to do launch jacking with this one.
Creating
so
videos on YouTube can be a very powerful
you can
thing.
get. It's an optional upgrade.
Thanks for purchasing
here,
my YT.
Here we go. The next one here is YouTube Ranking Expert. Unlock the secrets to quickly boosting your channel's authority and outranking your YouTube competition. So this one's is a little bit more expensive, but it looks like he's got more stuff in this one here. So it's you're going to want to check this video out, see if this is right for you. And then he's got a Facebook group, $7 a month. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about YT Influencer and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, I guess, I mean, you're going to have to create videos. It's going to take time. If you're looking for something that's like a get rich quick type thing, this isn't it because it's a real business. So if you've tried all these other things out there, maybe you've realized that they don't work. This really does work, but yeah, it does take work. What do I like about this? I really like this course. If you watch my channel, you watch my reviews, you know that I don't highly recommend everything out there, but I highly recommend this one. So if you've been interested in learning how to actually start to make money online and you want to learn from a guy that's actually doing it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my YT Influencer review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.